The needs of the land. Some of the answers are being discovered just ahead. To help us maintain these carefully controlled ecosystems, and for your safety, please remain seated in your boat at all times.
That's so cool.
Welcome to our living laboratories, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future.
Hey, Joe.
The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet.
You like this?
Many of these, like papaya,
I love this kind of stuff, though. It's really good.
there are more than 50,000 edible plant species in the world. Most of us are only familiar with the handful that make up our everyday diet. The common grains grown here, wheat, maize, sorghum, and millet, plus rice, account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an lettuce a year in this one small area.
Wow. I need you to step up your tomato game.
Some of our best ideas have been inspired by nature, like these fruit and vegetable trees. By growing these ground plants vertically, we can increase yields and better control diseases. These crops taste as good as they look. In fact, we serve more than 15 tons of produce from our greenhouses in restaurants here at the land every year.